Designing a highly futuristic combat drone with cutting-edge capabilities requires combining existing technologies and envisioning advanced, yet-to-be-invented solutions. Here's an imagined design based on modern and futuristic concepts. The Phantom Falcon X-01. Design concept. Inspiration. The design draws inspiration from stealth aircraft like the B-2 Spirit and modern drones like the MQ-9 Reaper, combined with next-gen futuristic elements such as active camouflage, advanced radar detection, and missile defense systems. 1. Stealth and camouflage. Adaptive camouflage. The entire surface of the drone is covered in advanced chameleon nanomaterial. This material can adjust its appearance based on surroundings, rendering the drone nearly invisible to the naked eye and infrared detection. It adapts in real time to blend seamlessly with various environments, from desert landscapes to urban cityscapes or forested areas. Electromagnetic signature suppression. The drone incorporates electromagnetic signature dampening, reducing its detectability by radar, LiDAR, and other electromagnetic sensors. The drone's exterior emits an electromagnetic field that scrambles signals, making it harder for radars to detect it. Heat dissipation. To prevent detection by heat sensors, the drone uses advanced thermal dissipation tech, releasing heat in small controlled pulses that appear like natural environmental heat signatures, reducing infrared detectability. Career. 2. Radar detection and countermeasures. Advanced radar detection system. The drone is equipped with a 360-degree radar detection system capable of identifying all nearby radar signals, aircraft, and ground-based anti-air systems in real time. It uses AI to constantly calculate the optimal flight path to avoid detection zones and respond to threats. Active jamming system. The drone can deploy a sophisticated electronic warfare system to jam incoming radar and missile guidance systems. It scrambles and misdirects radar frequencies, preventing lock-ons. 3. Missile dismantling and defense systems. Anti-missile defense drones. The combat drone carries a small fleet of microdrones that act as decoys and missile interceptors. These drones are released upon detection of incoming missiles, intercepting and dismantling threats before they reach the primary drone. Laser defense system. Integrated into the drone's belly is a high-energy laser capable of intercepting and neutralizing incoming missile threats. The laser rapidly heats and disables the electronics in enemy missiles, rendering them harmless mid-flight. Active missile dismantling. The drone is equipped with a missile neutralization beam, a directed energy weapon that targets and destabilizes the guidance and propulsion systems of incoming missiles from a distance, effectively neutralizing them before impact. 2. 4. Longest-range precision weaponry. Advanced railgun technology. The drone is armed with a next-generation railgun capable of firing hypersonic projectiles at targets hundreds of miles away. Railguns use electromagnetic pulses to accelerate projectiles, offering near-instant hit times at extreme distances. Long-range air-to-ground missiles. The drone carries a payload of advanced long-range missiles designed for precision strikes. These missiles can be fired at targets far beyond visual range, over 1,000 kilometers, and are equipped with AI-guided targeting systems for pinpoint accuracy. Autonomous sniper system. For surgical precision in eliminating high-value targets, the drone is fitted with an AI-driven sniper turret. This system uses AI to identify, track, and eliminate moving targets with extreme accuracy, even in chaotic combat situations. 5. Indestructible shield system. Electromagnetic force field. Surrounding the drone is an advanced energy shield generated by an electromagnetic force field. This field disrupts incoming kinetic and energy-based attacks, deflecting bullets, missiles, and even energy weapons. Plasma shield. In combat zones, the drone can activate a high-energy plasma shield that forms a temporary but indestructible bubble around it. This shield deflects energy projectiles and neutralizes any incoming threats for a short period, allowing the drone to escape danger or retaliate. Reactive armor. If a physical attack penetrates close to the drone, It is equipped with reactive armor plating that can absorb and diffuse explosive impacts. This armor is designed with a smart layer system that self-heals minor damages to the body in real time. 6. Intelligence, autonomy, and AI capabilities. Autonomous mission planning. The drone uses advanced AI to autonomously plan and execute missions with minimal human oversight. It can adjust to dynamic battlefield conditions in real time, adapting its tactics to ensure mission success. Swarm coordination. The drone can operate in coordination with other autonomous drones, forming a cohesive swarm capable of overwhelming enemy defenses. The AI-controlled swarm works collaboratively, sharing target data and adjusting tactics to outmaneuver opponents. Quantum computing integration. The drone features a quantum computing core that enhances its decision-making capabilities, allowing it to process vast amounts of data in real time and predict enemy movements and actions with high accuracy. 7. Power and energy. Solar energy. Skin. The drone's outer surface is embedded with nano-solar cells capable of harvesting solar energy during flight. This provides a near-limitless flight range under sunlight, reducing its dependency on fuel or recharging stations. Anti-gravity propulsion. For enhanced agility and speed, the drone incorporates an experimental anti-gravity propulsion system, allowing it to hover silently, move in any direction, and reach extreme altitudes, all while minimizing energy consumption. Final thoughts. The Phantom Falcon X-01 is a cutting-edge concept for a future combat drone. Its combination of active camouflage, advanced radar detection, anti-missile systems, long-range precision weapons, and an indestructible shield makes it a formidable presence on any battlefield. With AI-driven autonomy and next-gen stealth technology, this drone would redefine air combat, offering unmatched capabilities in both offensive and defensive operations.